So in order for you to unlock more features on RedotPay, you need to do your identity verification. Now RedotPay is actually a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell crypto or transfer crypto from one wallet to another. So looking right here is the home page. Looking here, you can see where it says verify your identity to unlock more features. So right here, I've filled in my personal details, my date of birth, my nationality, the ID I want to use, and all that. Now looking here, you can see where it says facial recognition. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue like this. So before you click on start, looking here, you can see where it says clear and copy. You need to make sure that your ID is actually very clear and it is not showing in a blurring way, and the ID should not be cropped. So looking here at the bottom, you need to go ahead and click on start verification. If you click on that like this, it is actually going to load up. So looking right here, you can see that I've submitted my profile details, I've not submitted my identity documents, and I've not taken a selfie of myself. So right here, you need to check this box like this and click on continue. So here you need to input the email, that is the email you inputted while creating your RedotPay account. Then go ahead and click on continue like this. So right here, you just need to go ahead and check this box and then go ahead and click on create my account. So a code is going to be sent to your Gmail. So you just need to go to your Gmail quickly and copy that code that was sent to your Gmail. So after doing that, right here you can see issuing country. You need to select your issuing country. Go ahead and search for your country if you are not seeing your country right here. So right here you can see different document type you can use to verify your account: passport, driver's license, ID card. So let's say you select ID card like this and click on continue and click on why using this ID card. So here I'm going to go ahead and verify my ID. So once you're done, go ahead and click on document is readable and upload it. So the next step you need to take is to verify your face. So once you're done doing that, looking here you can see completed. So looking here, it is actually in process and it has been approved. So right here you have been able to verify your identity on RedotPay. So going back like this, right here you can now do and make use of more features on the app. So this is how simple it is to verify your identity on RedotPay, or fix it if you are not able to verify your identity. Now like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.